What's up, my slimes? Another game in the Bismarck. Let's see if this goes better than the last one. The last one was an incredibly annoying game where I was just harassed by two destroyers, the U-boat and the aircraft carrier the entire time. Burn the heck. What is that guy saying? I don't know what that guy's saying. I think there's a lot of, no offense if anybody watching this video probably plays this game. I've come to find out I think there's a lot of weirdos that play this game. I think this game probably is one of the most interesting member bases, because I know there's like literally like shout out to anybody that like, this falls into this category, but there's a lot of like 60+ year olds that play this game, which is cool. But no offense to my anime lovers out there, the wearaboos, whatever you. I'm trying to be nice, but yeah, I think there's a lot of. Again, I'm playing this game, so what leg can I stand on? But I think there's a lot of interesting people that play this game. Is the moral of the story? We're just gonna go down this slot and just see if we can't. Get some spicy battle going.
Front.
Can torps hit each other?
Torpedoes, direct front. Torpedoes, direct front. Spotter airborne.
Where is it? Why is my spotter not? Okay, dumb question. Is a spotting plane different than a? Is there a recon plane and a spotter plane? Like, does a spotter plane only increase my range? Doesn't actually spot anybody? Is this a dumb question? Spotted where? Alright, you guys are a bunch of fucking cowards. I'll go through. I don't know what you're launching those at, bro. How do you voice chat in game? Is it B? Yo, what do you? No, that doesn't work. Whatever, I'll go through since these destroyers are a bunch of cowards.
Spotter returning to ship. Torpedoes, direct front. Torpedoes, dead ahead. Torpedoes to port. Hull breach. We're taking on water quickly. Problem solved, sir. Enemy battleship sighted.
Man, if only my teammates were not the biggest cowards on the face of the earth.
Torpedoes to port. Torpedoes, direct
Oh,
front.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Hull below the waterline. We're flooding.
How do I chat? How do I chat? Alright, glad I got that off my chest. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so I can record longer. Love each and every one of you. Bye bye.